What if you could attach custom data directly to any HTML element? No hidden fields, no global variables. That's exactly what data attributes are for. Data attributes are custom HTML attributes that start with the prefix data dash. You can add them to any element to store extra information. For example, a button might have data user id equal to 42, or a list item might carry data category equal to front end. The browser ignores them visually, but they're fully accessible in your JavaScript. Think of them as sticky notes attached to your HTML elements. The cleanest way to read data attributes in JavaScript is through the dataset property. Given an element, you write element.dataset.username to read data username. Notice the camelCase conversion. Any hyphen in the attribute name becomes a capital letter in dataset. So data userid becomes dataset.userid, and data max length becomes dataset.maxlength. You can also set or delete values the same way, treating dataset like a regular object. The second approach is getAttribute, where you pass the full attribute name as a string, like element.getAttribute of data userid. This is more verbose, but works in all browsers and is useful when the attribute name is dynamic. A classic real-world use case. Store a product ID on a buy button, then read it in your click handler without touching the server or making an extra DOM query. Data attributes store custom data on HTML elements using the data dash prefix, and you access them cleanly in JavaScript via dataset with camelCase names or getAttribute for the full string. Practice this. It comes up constantly in front-end interviews. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.